and we're still going to be looking for puts on that one. Just going to wait for it to keep pushing up. So Euro GBP might have a setup. So we're almost back up to this reversal area up here. So we might have an entry on Euro GBP.
Are you doing a put or a call?
It's going to be a put. So anytime that we're up at this top Bollinger Band, we're looking for a put. Anytime we're at the bottom Bollinger Band, you're looking for a call.
Okay. And you're basically indicating that it's going to go back down based off of the previous trend.
Yeah, basically price can only go up for so long before it reverses. Okay. So when we see on Euro GBP the overall trend is right now it's hesitating at the stop Bollinger Band. So it looks like price is hesitating and we're going to see a drop coming soon.
Okay.
That's on the daily chart. And then when we go to the hourly chart, we've seen prices basically on a downtrend overall.
Okay.
And we're hitting that middle Bollinger Band right now, which price has been staying underneath. And then same thing on the 15-minute here. We're on like a downtrend overall. Price has pretty much been consolidating underneath that middle Bollinger Band. And right now it's kind of giving us a doji hesitating. Yeah, so we're getting that reversal now. So you guys want to set up on Euro GBP? We'll set our time frames for 5 minutes. I'm going to enter those right now. And then, so I did 3 5-minute trades. I'm also going to enter a couple 10 minutes. So I'm going to do 3 10-minute trades as well. And these are all puts looking to take the trade to the downside. All right, so we'll let that trade play out. We'll come back to that. Right now we're in profit, 113. GBP odd. So it looks like overall this is on a downtrend. Looks like price basically keeps hitting that upper Bollinger Band, and then we're seeing a pretty nice rally downwards overall on this pair. Yeah, so this looks good on the 15-minute. I think price is going to travel basically down to this bottom Bollinger Band here. And overall on the hourly chart, we're still on a downtrend as well. So right now price is pushing up on the 1 minute. We're going to let it push up a little bit, and then we'll take an entry to the downside, which will be a 5-minute if you guys want to set your time frame for 5 minutes. So just have GBP odd pulled up and ready. We're going to be looking for a 5-minute put on this pair. And basically what I want to see is price. I would love to see price basically hit the top Bollinger Band, and then we'll enter at that to take it down for 5 minutes. And as you can see, this is why we're taking this trade. We saw price basically hit this upper Bollinger Band and then rally all the way down. We said basically hit the upper Bollinger Band again right here, and then price rallied all the way down. Same thing right here, hit the upper Bollinger Band, and then now it's on its way back down. So let's do 15 minutes. Let's set our time frame for 15 minutes. I'm going to enter a couple 15-minute puts right now on GBP odd. So I entered 4 15-minute puts on GBP odd. I'll change it back to 5 minutes. And then if we see price rally upwards, if we see price move upwards again, then we'll take entries for 5 minutes up here. But our 15-minute trades are all in profit right now. That's another 74. So we got 10 positions open total right now that are all in profit. So we got Australian dollar, US dollar. Looks really good on the 1 minute. 5 minute. So overall, it looks like we're on a huge uptrend on Australian dollar, US dollar. We did have US dollar news today, so that's probably causing the US dollar to go up. Looks like we're on a really strong uptrend. So I would want to only take trades to the upside on this. So we're only going to want to take calls. Let's do a 5-minute call on odd USD. So if you guys want to enter on odd USD, we're doing a 5-minute call. So we just closed some trades on Euro GBP. All right, we're in profit on odd US dollar. Actually, every single trade we have open in profit. So we got $56 on GBP, Euro GBP coming. We got 74 on GBP odd and 73 on Australian dollar US dollar. So when I'm placing these trades, I try to tell you guys how many positions I'm opening on each pair because I want you guys to copy like exactly how many positions I'm opening. Just do it with less than $10 how I'm doing mine. If your account's a little bit smaller, then you guys can do like, depending on your account size, If you have a $200 account, I would say do like $1 to $2 trades, and then just keep stacking all these positions that I do, and you'll see steady growth there. If you have like a $500 account or more, I would say that you guys can do like $5 trades, and then $1,000 account or more, you guys can start doing like $10 trades. But we're all green.
What up, brother? Yo, how do I turn the video off?
Go up to the top of your screen right up here, and
Oh,
then
here it is.
yeah.
There we go.
What's up, Alec?
Dude, I was up like all night fucking around with this.
The demo.
No, I was actually started using my account. I made like $30.
Oh, sweet. There you go.
Yeah, I didn't want to. I only did like $5 trades though, just because I wasn't super confident yet. You know.
Yeah. Definitely start off low and then build your way up.
Yeah, for sure.
But we just entered a bunch of trades for profit on every single position.
Nice. Let me.
Dang. Odd USD just shot to the moon.
Yeah, I told you guys it's on a big uptrend right now, so that's why we were taking it for 5 minutes up, because I didn't want to take it for any long time frame up, just because it did already rally up for a while now. But on the 5 minute, we could make some money off of that uptrend quick.
What amount should I be using here? 10, 15?
Is that
it's
Alec
not,
talking? Yeah.
Yeah.
I would say do like $5 per trade, and then
5.
yeah, and then I how many positions I stack on each trade, that you'll actually be doing more than $5 per trade, but you'll be doing $5 per position.
I see what you're saying.
So like right now on Australian dollar, US dollar, I have 4 positions open for $10 each. So altogether, I have $40 in positions open.
Okay.
On odd US dollar, and then GBP odd, same thing. I got 4 positions open there, and 3 positions open on Euro GBP.
Cool.
So that's why I said do like $5 ones, because then you can stack, a bunch more trades on one trade, and then it all just adds up.
True.
That, and you can practice with $5 trades, and get your confidence built. And,
For sure.
Get used to what we're doing here.
Right on.
All right, so Australian dollar, US dollar just closed 130 in profit.
Nice.
We're looking good on GBP odd. Nice drop after we entered. We're only 20 minutes into the session and already got 14 wins in. So odd CAD looks like we may have a potential setup here coming. Nice, Ian. You made $20.
Yeah.
Sweet. Are you on your live account now?
No, I still need to transfer the money. I just need to get it over there. But it's still nice to see it. Like I feel like there's just less risk when you're doing it on the demo account, obviously. So.
Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah, I mean.
So I feel like more trigger happy to be like, yeah.
No, sometimes that's what you need though. When you're first getting into this, get used to it. Start practicing on demo and just get a feel for it. So OddCAD looks like it's setting up on the 1 minute. The 5 minute looks good. Also, we're at the top Bollinger Band. So whenever we're at the top Bollinger Band, I'm looking to take a put. So basically, whenever we hit that top Bollinger Band, we're basically looking for that reversal to happen, because now it's at that top Bollinger Band, meaning that price is basically overbought, and we're going to see some sort of reversal. Looks really good on the 15 minute. We're at the upper Bollinger Band. We're also oversold on the stochastic. So this looks like a really good setup in my eyes. The hourly chart we're like way up in that upper Bollinger Band as well. It looks like overall we're on an uptrend here on the 1 minute. Same thing on pretty much all the other time frames. It's on a pretty strong uptrend, just like Australian dollar, US dollar, same thing. So that's a really strong push up on the 4-hour candle. So that shows me that basically price is going to be driving up for a while now. So on basically on both of the Australian pairs, any Australian pairs today, we're going to be looking to take calls to the upside. But right now we're at that upper Bollinger Band. We may see a small push down like this. So if we get a doji candle formed, then we'll probably do a 5-minute put on it just to get that small exhaustion. So what we're seeing right now is this push up, and then we're going to see a small exhaustion right there like that. And the same thing over here. We saw a small exhaustion. So we should see another one of those coming. But I'd rather take trades to the upside. So we'll come back to OddCAD. I would rather see it get exhausted, come back down here, and then we'll take it to the upside rather than take it for that small exhaustion. Sweet. Eric, already up 25% today.
Yeah.
There you go. So now I'm checking out GBP odd. We're on an uptrend. We're getting doji candles formed at the upper Bollinger Band. We're overbought on the stochastic. We're at the middle. We're at the upper Bollinger Band on the hourly chart as well. So we should be seeing a reversal here coming soon. Once we hit this top Bollinger Band, we'll be looking to take a put on GBP CAD. So if you guys want to pull that up, it looks like it's getting ready to get set up now. Just have GBP CAD pulled up. You can set your time frame for 5 minutes. All right, actually, let's set our time frame for 15 minutes. All right, let's enter now for 15 minutes, a 15-minute put on GBP CAD. So I entered a couple positions on 15 minutes, and then I'm going to switch my chart back over to the 5-minute expiry, because once we see that push up to that upper Bollinger Band, then I'll be looking to take it for 5 minutes down. But we entered the 15 minutes now just to make sure that we secure a position on this trade. Just because it looks like it's hesitating out already. So the 15 minutes at least we'll see we got in there on this doji now. So I got 3 positions open on GBP CAD. And those all just hit the profit zone. We got a minute left on GBP odd. Looking good. Missed that JPB. So our GBP odd trades are about to close out here. Actually, I'm going to enter another couple more 5-minute puts on GBP odd now that it's at that middle Bollinger Band. So I entered 2 of them before the drop happened there. So we just collected another $70 on that. So we're killing it right now. And then we got 5 more positions open on profit after these trades close. So you guys should already be seeing huge gains on your account.
$20.
$20 on what size account though? That's probably a huge growth.
Oh fuck yeah. It's like almost fucking 33%.
Yeah, that's a killer return in one session and in less than a half hour.
That's absolutely huge, dude.
So we've got 10 minutes left in this session. We might just end it after 10 minutes because we already killed so many trades. No point to keep trading if we already made our money for the day.
I should have done that earlier.
What'd you say you should have done that earlier?
Yeah. Again, at like 2 a.m., I had my account up to $115. Before this session, I fucking got greedy and took it down to 70.
Yeah, that'll happen. That's why I'm saying like we already hit so many trades on the session. How many trades did you guys hit? Because I know some of you guys missed. Actually, I think you guys missed my only losing trade. That was the first trade of the day, right? And my mic was on mute, so everybody missed this trade. So every single trade on the session is in profit.
Yeah.
So you guys didn't lose any trades, did you?
No.
Nice.
That's going to be 19 wins in a row for you guys, right?
That's one hundo.
100% a session. It's pretty killer.
Fuck yeah. Yeah, once these trades close out, I'll be up to $100.
Sweet. So we got odd CAD dropping to the bottom Bollinger Band now. 5 minute looks like we're going to see a drop here on odd CAD. Hourly chart, we're at that top Bollinger Band. Yeah, there's a potential setup on the higher time frame. So we just made another 37 on that.
I just hit odd CAD by like the fucking skin on my teeth.
Odd CAD.
Yeah, I got in a little late, and that was so close. It hit though.
We didn't have a trade. Oh yeah.
Sorry, GB. What
Oh,
was it?
GBP odd.
Yeah, GBP odd. Yeah.
Yeah, that one we actually we should have had a pretty nice win on that because that was a 15-minute. Oh, actually, sorry, I'm on the hourly chart. Yeah, so we entered somewhere over here. So that was a nice win on that. GBP CADs trades, all deep in profit. Huge win. I mean, there's still 7 minutes left on that, but it's a huge win right there. I don't know, guys. I think we might be wrapping it up here soon.
You know, the best thing about this is I almost, just by this one session, I'm pretty sure I made more money now than I did almost the entire time I've been working all night.
Australian dollar, US dollar looks really good on the 30-minute. So we may be able to take this down. Maybe able to take this down.
You should make that a post on Facebook. I'm sure it'll grab some attention.
Well, 100% accuracy session.
Awesome. Well, hey, you guys
That's what I mean. I think we're gonna end it at this because we just killed it, and then this will be great for everybody's accounts plus marketing. So.
Oh yeah. Speaking of which, I think I might have someone joining us in a few days.
Cool. Yeah, definitely bring them on board, man. You guys, I mean, I don't know if you guys realize, but you guys, since you guys are the first people into the company, you guys have a huge like opportunity here because the commission plan that I offer, it builds up so fast that basically if you were to bring the 40 people is the max commission, so you're making 50% on all those 40 people that you bring in, and that's every single month. So if you bring in 40 people, you're at max commission of 50%, which means $1,000 a month for you every single month.
That's sick.
And then from there, it just goes. You keep going up. So at that point, you're at 50% commission. So everybody you bring in, you're getting $25 a month from each person you bring in. Once you hit that max commission point.
Where's the affiliate link?
The affiliate link is in your Mighty Network app. You can go to your app, and then you can click members, and then there's an invite members button. And then if you scroll down, you have a unique link. You can copy your link, and you can send it to anybody that's interested, and you'll get credited for it if they use your link.
All right, cool.
And then there's also an email option through Mighty Network. So if you go to members and then invite, you can also send an email directly from the app. So you can type up some sort of cool email and send it right from the Mighty Network app. That'll have your link embedded into the email. That way they can click the email and sign up basically through your link on the email, and then you'll get credited for that as well.
Oh yeah.
And then I'll be paying out the first of every month. So. All right, Ian, take it easy. Sam, you enjoyed the session?
Huh?
I said, Sam, did you enjoy the session? This was your first one, right?
Hell yeah, dude.
Awesome, man.
Can't wait to go live, man.
Yeah, definitely, dude. So hopefully you guys learned some stuff on the session. Hopefully you guys, I know you guys made money. So odd US dollar looks like it's setting up right now on the 1 minute. We're seeing that push upwards. But overall on odd US dollar, we're seeing the price wants to drop. As you can see on the 30-minute chart here, price rallied up for a while. We see a doji candle formed. I'll zoom in here for you guys. So this is what a doji candle looks like. It's just a small body with a wick on each side of the body, basically showing that price is undecided on which direction it wants to go. Just basically shows us that price was rallying up for a while. Now it's getting exhausted, getting ready for that reversal to happen. Overall, on the hourly chart, we're on a pretty strong uptrend. So I'd only be wanting to take puts on Australian dollar, US dollar. So basically, once price moves back upwards to the middle Bollinger Band or upper Bollinger Band, then we'd be looking to take the put on that. There might be a smaller time frame push happening upwards. So you guys have a potential to get like a 5 to 10 minute push upwards before we see that move back downwards. But that's just a trade I'm just showing you guys. I want to end the session after these trades close because then we're 100%. And that's I think 19. What? Actually, that's more than that. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16, 17, 18. Yeah, so it'll be 19 wins at the end of the session. And that was all done in 30 minutes. So pretty solid session. If anybody has any questions, feel free to shout them out. Feel free to reach out to me. No questions are stupid. You know, I want you guys to learn, so the more questions you ask, the better. GBP odd looks like it's setting up on the 1 minute right now. Over on the 5 minute though, we're seeing a push up. And on the hourly, we're probably seeing that reversal happen. We're at that bottom band.